Want to start investing but feel overwhelmed? SoFi Invest makes your first step simple, with zero commissions and user-friendly tools. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Open the SoFi app and tap Invest. You can start with an active investing account to pick stocks and ETFs yourself, or an automated investing account, a robo-advisor that builds a portfolio for you. To buy your first stock or ETF, tap Trade, search for a symbol, like VOO, choose between a market or limit order, and select how many shares or dollars you want to invest. Confirm and you're done. My crucial pro tip: start with a stock slice if you're unsure. SoFi allows you to buy fractional shares of any stock or ETF in their selection. You can invest as little as $5 into expensive companies like Amazon or Google. It's a fantastic, low-risk way to start learning and building a diversified portfolio. Break down the barriers to entering the stock market. What would be the first company you'd buy a fractional share of? For more beginner-friendly investing guides, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.